Hey guys, Kenny here. My tried and true Snapper 28-inch Briggs & Stratton 9 horsepower power built. This thing is a 1999 from the date code. You can see, hopefully you can see it, it's 99. So it's 26 years old and I beat the living hell out of it. Now, it's always treated me good. It's always started on the first or second pull, but this year, after sitting outside in the boneyard, it didn't want to start. Now I'm pulling. I said, what the heck's going on? So I took out my Spark Check R, which I love, my spark checker, put it on the wire, and it said no spark. I'm like, So I said, maybe Mickey and Minnie got under here. So I took off the shroud and it's clean, because I cleaned it in the fall. I make sure I always clean it, put mothballs in it, and we never have a problem. But let me show you what the problem was. This kill wire, which is generally crimped onto this eyelet terminal, had fallen off and literally was like this. So it was arcing onto a piece of grounded metal on the engine. So I wasn't getting any spark. So if you have an old engine, and this one here, this wire, if I just touch it, it'll snap. That's how bad the insulation is. I'm going to replace all that kill wiring and stuff. So if it doesn't start with the kill wires, especially if it's old, and make sure that your kill wire is in good shape. The top one going to the coil, I believe, is good, but the other one here that goes to it, it's a gray wire with a little black stripe. It is just totally frayed, and like I said, it was arcing out, no spark. So the minute I took it off, I was getting spark. I'll show you real quick. I'll choke this out, let it just run for a quick second, and then shut it off. So here we go. Ready? Okay. Runs good. Now you ground this out. I'll show you. There you go. That's what it was. A grounding wire, grounding when it shouldn't have. All right, that's it for now, guys. We'll talk to you soon.